So, good day everyone. We are the group Team Paugat. For today's activity, we chose an ethical dilemma involving data privacy in Cisco AI development. As technology evolves, companies like Cisco face tough decision between innovation and protecting rights, and that's the focus of our analysis today. Data privacy versus innovation in AI products. In order to increase efficiency, the personification, Cisco is creating a new AI-powered customer assistance system that gathers and examines a vast volume of user data. Internal reports indicate that the data being used, particularly from older contracts and ambiguous privacy agreements, may contain sensitive client information that was not completely consistent. Cisco must decide whether to pause the rollout and review all user agreements or proceed with deployment while improving the system's data.
There's two possible solutions. Option 1, pause the product rollout and review all data agreements. So, ginapause ang product and ila pang review ng all data nga agreements. In Cisco, stops the deployment to ensure all customer data has proper informed consent. So, ang Cisco sa Cisco is, gina-stop nila ang deployment para ma-ensure nga ang tanang data sa customer is proper siya and informed consent. And also, it reviews existing contracts and revises its data privacy policy. So, gina-review po niyang existing contracts and also, ilang gina-revise ang data privacy policy. So, kani is na siya mga pros and cons. So, una ang pros. Ang pros ani is gina-demonstrate nila ang pagrespeto sa customer privacy, gina-prevent po nila ang legal risk in the future, o also mag-build po siya og long-term trust. So, ang cons is project delays, financial loss from missed market opportunity. Also, frustrates internal stakeholders para sa engineers o ang investors.
So we have option 2, continue rollout with improved anonymization and transparency plan. So first we have Cisco proceeds with the deployment that updates its systems to anonymize data more effectively. So we have second, they also launch a transparency campaign to inform users how their data is used. So we have mga pros and cons. So in pros, so we have it keeps innovation moving forward. So the second shows a responsiveness to privacy concerns. So minimize delay and revenue impact. So in cons, potential bug flash for not halting the rollout and could still face legal gray areas. Third, might fully address consent.
So, now, this is our decision making matrix. So, we have the option here, which is the number one is the post rollout. Then the option 2 is continue with improvements. In financial impact, the post rollout we rate is into 2, and then the continue with improvements is 4. And ethical responsibility is our rating is 5, and then the number option 2 is 4. In legal compliance, our rating is 5, and then the option 2 is 4. And also the stakeholder satisfaction, our rating is in option 1, which is the post rollout, 3, and then the option 2, which is the continue with improvements, is 4. So now let's proceed to overall score. As you can see, the option 1 is only 15 points and the option 2 is 17 points. So the best option chosen is for us is option 2 because continue rollout with stronger data protection and transparency. So, that's all in our decision making matrix.
So, matrix and decision. So, using the decision-making matrix, we evaluated both options. So, ang option 1 is pausing the rollout, scored high on ethics and legal compliance, but low on financial impact. And ang option 2 is continuing with enhanced privacy measures and scored slightly lower on ethics, but better in financial impact and stakeholder satisfaction. So, ang among napili diri is ang option 2 because it balance innovation and also responsibility.